Tupperware Basic Line range is a vibrant storage line that provides practical solutions for all your essential storage needs in the fridge, pantry, office, and more. One of the key features of the Basic line is its space-saving design. The straight sides use space efficiently when stored in the fridge and pantry. Thanks to the small rim on the lids, the containers can also safely stack on top of each other, maximizing space in your fridge or cupboards and reducing clutter. The airtight lids keep food fresh, while the easy-to-clean dishwasher-safe design makes maintaining them a breeze. The oversized tabs on the lids ensure the containers can be opened with ease. Furthermore, the Basic line containers are made of high-quality, durable materials. When not in use, these containers nest together like Russian nesting dolls, with each one inside a larger size, making it an ideal choice for small apartments or homes with limited storage space. The Basic line containers can be used for storing food in the fridge, with each size offering a solution for storing all kinds of food. The small sizes are ideal for leftovers, berries, or herbs. The 1.2 liter and 2.5 liter are perfect for salads, cut vegetables, fruits, or meat. With the 5 liter, you can even store a whole chicken or a cake. This line can even help you organize cupboards or drawers outside of the kitchen. For the kids' bedroom, you can use them to store toys, hair clips, stickers, and school supplies. In your bedroom or bathroom, you can store jewelry, cotton pads, makeup, or sewing kits. For the home office, store all your clips, pens, and other office supplies. You can even use them to store all your craft materials or hardware supplies, like nails and screws. To open, pull the large tab with one hand while holding the container with the other. The generous tab makes it easy for every family member to open the Basic line containers. To close, simply put the lid on the container and press firmly all along the rim. Avoid contact with all heat sources, such as microwave and conventional ovens, hot plates, flames, grills, and hot oils. It is not recommended for freezer usage. For cleaning, the base and lid are dishwasher safe. The colorful, space-saving Basic line is just what you're looking for to meet your fridge, pantry, and home storage needs.